I said to the church the other day, I said, what we need to do, Pastor, we need to bring back, you see, some of the people in the church that can't read. But they have Holy Ghost. Too many educated, sophisticated people come in the church and they mash up the church with their education and big words and sophisticated and big titles. We need to bring back some people who can't read. They didn't finish high school, they can't talk good English. They don't know to talk patois, but they have Holy Ghost. That when you get up to preach, the sophisticated people, they come around and act like, you have to be intellectual, but the Holy Ghost one, they can't read. When demons try to tie you up, they come to you and they go, hey! Look at it, we need Holy Ghost in the church.